XRP is forming the largest bull flag in bull flag history of any asset. And the possible gains we could see with just the breakout of this pattern is a 25x, 2,500% with a price target of $16. This is absolutely crazy. We have Kamala Harris proposing a 44.6 capital gains tax, a 25% tax on unrealized gains. We have Nvidia earnings dumping the market a bit. What is going on? Well, something very big is about to take place for XRP and cryptos. And in this video, we are going to be talking about what is going on. So far, what we could see is that Bitcoin had crashed yesterday. There was no real particular news, maybe a Trump indictment. I think that could have potentially caused this to happen. But Bitcoin has seen a correction from this weekend to this morning's low, about 11%. That is a very significant correction for Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't typically move that much, and it happened in a very short period of time with almost no news. So that's very interesting. However, Ethereum also saw, this is the number 2 cryptocurrency, a 15% correction. And what we are seeing for Ethereum is, so far from this bounce, higher lows. For Bitcoin, it does look like the bulls are trying to keep this support here. They are fighting for support. We're no longer crashing. This is obviously subject to change at any moment. But it does appear that they have swept the lows. They've taken out these stop losses, and it looks like the market wants to bounce up. However, Nvidia is down over 7% after hours after a positive earnings, which is quite interesting. And I think that's because people were already pricing in something with Nvidia, and people were also expecting a way bigger win for Nvidia earnings, and that's maybe why it's going down. So that's causing a bit of sell pressure. This Kamala stuff causing a bit of sell pressure. There is a little bit of FUD out there, just foreign war FUD, of course, but look at this. This bull flag for XRP with a price target of $16. Absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and talk about this pattern with what we are seeing for XRP. So XRP, if we see since July 2018, I mean, this has been somewhat of support. August 18th, 2018. This level has been a huge support, and we can see that we are at support. And what we will typically see in a bull market is some type of big pump, and then it usually comes right back down for altcoins. XRP is an altcoin. But I do think that XRP now, with the possible adoption and flip the switch moment with these banks using Ripple and XRP, the Ripple stablecoins IPO, there's so many bullish things that are taking place now that the lawsuit is over. I'm thinking that we are going to get a breakout of this long bull flag, this pattern, and that this breakout is going to be substantial for the good, for the long run. And if we take a look here, all the way since 2018, this is literally the longest, biggest bull flag ever performed on a cryptocurrency. We are actually breaking out. We are literally breaking out. This is a weekly time frame, and we've been broke out for 2 weeks now. And literally from the very peak of 2018 to the very peak of 2021, we are actually breaking out. And the target for this breakout, some experts are calling for $16. I think the minimum target for the breakout is going to be 3.33, so $3.33. This is going to be the first breakout level. I think in this bull market, we're going to see a move up to this level here. This is resistance. This is the all-time high. Once we get up to all-time high and we start to break out, that's when we're going to have to measure from the low here, basically support any one of these levels. And we take and measure from this all-time high to the low, grab a trend line here. We put it at this breakout level. This should take us to about almost $7. And this is the price target I've been calling for about a year or so. So I'm thinking that in this bull market, if everything lines up, I think if Trump gets elected, that the bull market is going to be greater, in my opinion. I could be wrong. It's not financial advice. This is not political, but I honestly think based on Trump's policies, that Trump could potentially pump the market up much further than if a Democrat were to be elected. Let me know your thoughts about that in the comments below. But I'm thinking that the breakout target for this bull flag essentially is going to be $3, and then we're going to get close to $7. This is what I think is going to be quite reasonable this bull market, and I think it could happen next year. Remember, bull markets, they happen very quick, they're very fast, and they happen when you least expect it. So right now the market is looking very, very boring, nothing's happening. But guess what? Summer is ending. And when summer ends, that's when cryptos start to get crazy, especially in halving years and halving cycles. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now make sure you guys are in my Patreon where you can follow calls like this. I just made $1,000 today. I made some more profits as well, but this is just one trade on Ethereum. If you followed my trades, my setups in the Patreon, I'm up $1,000. You guys can have access to by joining the Patreon with the link in my video description, where you can also learn how to trade cryptocurrencies full time by being a part of my mentorship. If you guys want to be trading cryptos, make sure you are doing it over on Bluefin so you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And I also highly suggest that you guys are using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, which gave a sell alert at the very top of Bitcoin this past weekend before the market crashed. So you could have sold, shorted, and now you wait for a buy alert on ALGOSNIPER before you get in so that you're not knife catching and buying as it's crashing. You want to buy when momentum begins to shift up, and ALGOSNIPER will literally tell you exactly when to do so. Look, just like last Friday, we get a buy alert 59,000, it shoots all the way up to 65,000. Then you get a sell alert and take profit level here. This thing you guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Check out the links in my video description. I'm here to help you guys make money, and I'll see you later.